Do you struggle securing your pet quickly, safely, and easily? Hi, I'm Yoshi Shiraki, the inventor of the Snap Leash. Snap Leash, the most convenient leash in the world. Snap Leash is a new, innovative 7-in-1 multi-use leash for the same investment of a single-use leash. The Snap Leash can be used to quickly, safely, and easily secure your pet to a park bench or even a pole for that super quick stop to tie your shoe.
The Snap Leash is very affordable and effective, especially when I want to go on long runs with my dog.
The Snap Leash can be easily adjusted to different lengths for better control.
I take Coda with me wherever I go, and the Snap Leash allows me to easily secure him and keep him safe.
The Snap Leash can be used as a traffic handle.
One of my favorite features of the Snap Leash is a traffic handle. Basically, I can keep my dog nice and close to me as I walk.
The Snap Leash can be used as a convenient hands-free leash.
We have a Snap Leash in the truck, we have a Snap Leash in my car, we have a Snap Leash in the house, and it's so great because we can just take both dogs out with one leash, no hassle.
My favorite thing about the Snap Leash is its versatility and the simplicity of its many different uses.
The Snap Leash is selling worldwide, and everyone is raving about how it is the only leash you will ever need. It is 7 leashes in one.
Call toll-free 855-SNAP-LEASH or log on to GetSnapLeash.com to get yours for just $8.99. The Snap Leash comes with a money-back guarantee, so order now and we'll double it for free. Just pay separate shipping and handling. You get it all. 2 Snap Leashes for one low price, so call now to receive your special offer today. Snap Leash is the only leash you'll ever need to own.